you guys ever wondered how to make no glue hand sanitizer slime? Well, I'll show you guys how to make that today. But first, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is... Also, remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. The ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is any type of body wash. I'm just using the Suave one. You guys will also need hand sanitizer. You can use any type. I'm just going to be using the Bath & Body Works brand. You guys will need a bowler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. And optional is food coloring. Okay, so for this recipe, I'm first going to add my body wash into my bowler plate. And that looks like just enough. And I love this body wash so much. It smells so good. And now I'm going to get adding a little dot of hand sanitizer. The hand sanitizer is basically the activator for this no glue slime recipe. So I'm going to add a little bit of hand sanitizer into here. And that looks like just enough. And now here is the optional part. You guys can use food coloring. I'm just going to use a little bit of red food coloring for this recipe. Now I'm going to get mixing it up. So you're going to mix it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, that looks like just enough mixing, and I mixed it for a while. You can see it's super foggy now and everything. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2 hours, and every 30 minutes I'm going to take a look at it and make sure it's working. So I'll see you guys in about a second when it's all done. Okay guys, it's been about 2 hours, and here is the hand sanitizer slime. It seems to turn out super great. Also, I wanted to give a side note that my nails are not dirty or anything. It's just how the fake nails are. So just wanted to make sure you guys know that. But here is the hand sanitizer slime, and let's get seeing how it turned out. And oh my gosh, this turned out great. I can already tell. It's quite sticky, as you can see from just how it's sticking to me. Wow, this turned out great. I'm going to mix it for about 1 minute to see if I can make it less sticky in any way. Okay, so I mixed it for about 2 minutes, and here it is. This turned out great for a hand sanitizer slime. I think the body wash definitely made it super thick, and it made it such a nice thick no glue slime. Like, look at this, and I love the color. I'm so happy I used food coloring for this. But this recipe was a huge win-win for me for making no glue hand sanitizer slime, and I really hope it worked for you guys as well. Please put it in the comments down below if this recipe worked for you guys, because it worked awesome for me. But this is how you make no glue hand sanitizer slime. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Remember to put in the comments down below if it worked for you guys, and if it didn't, I will try to get back to you and show you guys how to make this recipe work better. But yeah, remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Collector in the comments down below. Give us some new ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much in peace. Remember, thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!